14,000 worth na headset libre dito sa Canada?
Yung mga bossing, check natin kung talagang totoo tong point system ng isang credit card dito sa Canada. Makakakuha tayo ng libreng item.
May na-receive po tayong voucher or coupon from a credit card company which is American Express, mga boss. Meron tayong 24 to 30 points as of November yan. Pero in real time, medyo mas malaki. Ayan, titingin tayo ng points na akma. Points natin. Nag-sale yung mga points eh. 24,941 165, 99, wala tayo dyan. 17, pwede na. Hindi natin need yan. Dito natin, ito may nahanap akong need dito. Kasi nga, nag-gym tayo. 24,750 lang points. Dating 45,000 points ka. 24,750 meron tayong 24,941. Kukunin natin yan. Dito naman, papakita natin yung real-time points natin, 24,941 sa application. Of course, maglalagin tayo dito. Yun. Yan mga boss, yun yung actual na points natin. Kung nakikita nyo, 45,000 points sana yan, naka-sale, 24,760 na lang. So, makukuha natin yan mga bossing. Alright, add to cart lang po tayo dyan. Tsaka may mga gagawing logins lang gamit ang mga information sa credit card mo. Make sure lang na legit talagang website na papasukan mo kasi baka ma-hack or ma-scam kayo mga boss. Yan, pinapakita ko lang yung process kung paano paano makakuha ng libre dito sa Canada. Yan, na-redeem na po natin mga boss. All goods na. Let's go! After 5 days mga bossing, may dumating na package. Hopefully ito na yung galing sa American Express at malaman natin legit na makakuha po tayo ng libre dito sa mga points po nila. Yung mga boss, parang legit talaga. Pero hindi natin malalaman na legit if hindi natin mabuksan. So nakikita natin galing yan sa American Express. Ine-expect na natin na yan yung in-add to cart natin na libre using the points. Mga boss. Are you recording now?
Yes.
Oh wow. This is free.
Free. Show it.
I don't know. That's the wrong way. What's the right way here?
Why would it have that opening thing if you just this? And then now put it. Yeah, see, look. Show it.
Well, it's gotta be sweaty for the gym.
Try it on.
Where's the left and right?
Yeah, it's in there. See, look. Yeah.
That's cool.
Got wires. Oh, it's got a case too.
Oh, it's nice. Nice one.
There's some music in it. Oh, what's that?
That's just a guide.
Guide, of course. There's always a guide in everything.
Nice. At yan na lang po mga bossing. Thank you for watching this video. Sana nagustuhan nyo. See you on the next video. Paalam!